Hey, now I'm giving my testimony. Oh, I'm killing the beat and I'm giving them heat. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make my peanut butter soup, the free-time peanut butter soup. Okay, so as you can see here, I have my tomato paste, which is this one right here. This is 2 cans that I emptied into this tray right here, and I also got my onions and tomatoes and pepper. Okay, here I have the English pepper mixed with garlic and a little bit of fresh tomatoes. Okay, and I also got my peanut butter. You would need the creamy peanut butter. Okay, and then I have garlic, paprika, salt, another garlic, which I made onion powder, and I have the Goya adobo, and I have Maggi. Okay, this Maggi right here. Okay, you will need that, and also you will need the jumbo cubes. Okay, so over here is my meat. Okay, that I already fried, as you can see. Okay, so I have fish here, I have turkey and meatballs and all of that. Okay, so in this pot is the oil that I use to fry my meats and things. Okay, so that's the same oil that I use. So no need for me to use another oil for that. Okay, so I have Maggi in here already, and I'm gonna add another jumbo Maggi in here. Okay, so that's why you saw that stuff on here. And then I'm gonna add my onions and my fresh tomatoes in a pot. So all of this is gonna fry up, and then I will check it again later to see. Okay, but for now we're just gonna add our seasoning. I'm gonna put paprika in, no measurement guys. Okay, so sorry, but you know, when you're cooking this kind of soup, it's hard to give you measurements at all. Okay, so this is my salt that I'm adding, and this is my garlic. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the fresh pepper so that everything will cook together. Y'all should know how I cook by now. I want everybody to marinate into the bag. Okay, into the tub. Okay, so right now I'm gonna let this cook probably for 20 or 25 minutes before I add the peanut butter and water. Okay, so let that cook. Then on this side is the water from the meat that I seasoned and fried everything. Instead of me using fresh water, this is where all the seasoning and everything is all up in there and so on. So that's what I'll be using to put into the soup later on. Okay, so that will give us that creamy peanut butter kind of soup. Okay, so I will get back to you when it's time for me to add the peanut butter. Okay, Okay guys, so after 20 minutes, this is how the soup is looking. And now I'm gonna add the peanut butter in. I'm adding the peanut butter now. So if you are cooking a whole bunch like I am, you will need the whole entire peanut butter in this soup because you are cooking peanut butter soup. So if you're not, then you can use half of it or just eyeball whatever you need and then you put it in a pot. But I'm gonna need all of this, so I'm gonna put all of that into the pot. Okay. So after that, I'm gonna add the water into the pot. The water that I show you guys earlier. I'm gonna dump it into the pot and try to create my sauce. Okay. So I'm gonna dump this water into the soup. Okay. So now we're gonna give it a stir, and then we'll come back. We'll see how far the peanut butter is cooking. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add some of my peanut butter. Tomato paste. So I'm not gonna add all of this. I'm gonna just use some because I wanted the red color of the peanut butter soup. So I think that might be enough, but if not, I will add some more. But yeah, so I'm gonna add that, and then after a couple minutes I will add the chicken and everything else into the soup, and that will be it. So now I'm gonna add some of my meat into the soup, and after 10 minutes I'm gonna add the rest of the meat in here. I might not show you guys that part, but I will show you the finishing look of the whole entire soup. But again, this is not like, runny or whatsoever. If you feel like this soup is thick, make sure you add water as you go and season as you go. It's hard to tell someone, how much Maggi you need and how much pepper you need, and so it all depends on the person. So I'm sorry about that part, but cooking African food, you can never know the measurement exactly, especially when you're cooking soup like this. You just taste as you go and add whatever you need as you go on to get the right consistency of your meal. Okay, so yeah, I'll show you guys the final look. Okay guys, so it has been 10-15 minutes since I added the tomato paste. I added some of the meat into this peanut butter soup. So I just didn't add the fish into it yet, but I'm gonna add it right now before I call it a day with this peanut butter soup. So guys, the reason why I left the whole pepper like this is because sometimes when I cook, the pepper tends to be so hot for the children, so I leave like a whole pepper or peppers into the soup. That way it will not be smashed into the soup and stay like that. But yes guys, so this is what the peanut butter looks like. It's yummy. It tastes good as well, guys. So yes, look at all of this. Yummy, 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 yummy. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.
Testimony, I don't testimony, I'm a testimony.